Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on melted Reese's Puffs. First you'll need a cup, I already have some in there. And then you'll need the cereal. You put a little bit, about this much. About that much in there. You'll need to crush it up, like I have it. Crush it up. And then, you'll put about that much water in there. So I'll be back. Oh, and I almost forgot. You will also need a spoon. A spoon to eat it with. Now, see how it's already like almost melted almost, but it's not. It's actually not. So I'll be back with the spoon. So once you have a spoon, you want to take it and mix it up. Almost where it looks like peanut butter. Kind of smells like it too. Once you've done that, you'll want to put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. So I'll be back when it's now melted. Can you see, if you can see the steam coming up. So then you want to put it in you want to stir it up again. And then you want to put it in the freezer for about, I don't know, about 10 minutes. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It kind of looks gross. It really looks gross. So yes, I am going to be tasting it. But I'm not going to be tasting a whole lot of it. I'm not literally going to chew it up, but ugh.
Is this nasty?
Okay.
Ew, it looks like baby food.
Yeah, it does look like baby food.
Gross.
Or baby turds.
What the heck is wrong with it?
Oh, you little baby.
No, I mean, like, seriously, what the heck is wrong with that? It looks so weird.
Well, here we go. Oh, I can't do it.
I wouldn't do it either.
I can't do it.
You
Shut up.
have to do it. You have to. Look on my finger. A turd. Ow, she bit me. Ow. 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 Stop.
Oh,
Stop it.
never try this. This is nasty.
It's disgusting.
Well, thank you guys for watching.
Ooh, she trying to French kiss me.
Really? You should over my video?
Sorry. No, you are not. Stop.